Well, hello and welcome to Simply CM's channel. She's here. Oh my god, well, okay. We went to Copenhagen today and we went to the Asian store to buy Xiaomai wrappers. And time fly, and I actually saw they got some chili sauce, and lazy as I am, I bought chili sauce. Ready-made, and we gotta test that. Is it better than mine? Is it worse than mine? Is it the same as mine? But I have to say, it was expensive. Super mahal, oi! I don't like the price of this, but maybe it's good. I'll put some pictures on it, so you can see how much oil, how much chili, how much garlic there is in it. But it's super similar to the same recipe that I make. The price is just more expensive. And I don't like expensive things. I like cheap things. I like easy things. That's the way I am. I'm a cheapy guy. So there will be pictures of this one a little bit later. But you're really buying a lot of oil when you buy this product. It's like almost half of it is just oil. So a little cheated maybe. But okay, let's figure it out. Smell the same. Look almost the same. It's the same smell, but I don't think it will be crunchy. Should this be crunchy? No, this is not the crunchy one, is it?
I don't know.
No, it's not. This is just the garlic, okay. Anyway, that's it. Let's try it out. You want to show mig første gang, det kommer ind i min mund nu.
Chili sauce.
Det var lidt en stærk. Den er god. It's good. But not as good as mine. Og den er god, den er stærk, men den er ikke lige så god som min. This is spicy, and the taste is absolutely okay. I like the taste. But compared to my own, I like my own better, to be honest. Of that simple reason that there's more garlic in mine. And of course it's cooked, so there is a little crunch to it. So there's those small pieces of minced garlic that is crunchy and yummy, and that lacking in this one. This is more of like a soft paste. It's very spicy compared. Mine is also spicy, but this is more spicy. But the taste is good, absolutely. But mine is better. I'm just saying, a lot better. That's it. Bye bye.
Wait, I have a question, Martin.
If you got one question, I got two answers.
No, but are you gonna buy the product again or not?
I'm not gonna buy it again.
So you don't recommend it?
I recommend it, but I'm not gonna buy it again because I know how to make it. First of all, this is 40 Danish kroner. I don't know what is that in dollars. It is like 8 or something. So it's expensive, and how much will it cost to make a jar of that? it will probably cost, let's just say, 5 krona to say something. So 5 krona, I can make the same, maybe 6 krona, maybe $1. I can make this the same, and then I'll of course put a little effort into it, but mine will be a lot better. But this was the lazy, the fast way to do it, and I saw it and said the plan was actually to make it, but we were running late, and we saw it and said, oh, let's try it, so we can compare it to each other, and I did, and mine is the winner. So does that answer your question?
But you still recommend it to people who cannot actually make one.
No, what I will recommend is getting hold of me and buy my chili sauce instead.
No, they can just watch the video you got and they can follow your recipe. You had
What a great suggestion, Em. What a great advice. Yeah, do that. Make your own, learn it, and blow your mind of your friends and family. Blow the mind. Make a mind-blowing chili sauce. Do it.
Oy.
I dare you. I double dare you. Make a mind-blowing chili sauce. Do it. Comment below if you ever made a mind-blowing chili sauce. Bye-bye.